Hydraulics and Geotechnical Engineering. Definition of terms. 1. Degree of consolidation is A. Directly proportional to time and inversely proportional to drainage path. B. Directly proportional to time and inversely proportional to square of drainage path. C. Directly proportional to drainage path and inversely proportional to time. D. Directly proportional to square of drainage path and inversely proportional to time. D. Directly proportional to square of drainage path and inversely proportional to time. 2. For a loose sand sample and dense sand sample consolidated to the same effective stress. A. Ultimate strength is same and also peak strength is same. B. Ultimate strength is different but peak strength is same. C. Ultimate strength is same but peak strength of dense is greater than that of loose sand. D. Ultimate strength is same but peak C. Ultimate strength is same but peak strength of dense is greater than that of loose sand. 3. Within the consolidation process of a saturated clay. A. A gradual increase in neutral pressure and a gradual decrease in effective pressure takes place and sum of the two is constant. B. A gradual decrease in neutral pressure and a gradual increase in effective pressure takes place and sum of the two is constant. C. Both neutral pressure and effective pressure decrease. D. Both neutral pressure and effective pressure increase. B. A gradual decrease in neutral pressure and a gradual increase in effective pressure takes place and sum of the two is constant. 4. Rise of water table in cohesionless soils up to ground surface reduces the net ultimate bearing capacity approximately by A. 25%, B. A 50%, C. 75%, D. 90%. B. 50%. 5. Tersagh's bearing capacity factors NC, NQ, and NR are functions of A. Cohesion only, B. Angle of internal friction only, C. Both cohesion and angle of internal friction, D. None of the above. B. Angle of internal friction only. 6. Valid range for S, the degree of saturation of soil in percentages. A. S greater than 0, B. S less than 0, C. 0, S less than 100, D. 0 less than or equal to 100. D. 0 less than or equal to 7. If the natural water content of soil mass lows between its liquid limit and plastic limit, the soil mass is said to be in A. Liquid state, B. Plastic state, C. Semi-solid state, D. Solid state. B. Plastic state. 8. The average coefficient of permeability of natural deposits. A. Parallel to stratification is always greater than the perpendicular to stratification. B. Parallel to stratification is always less than that perpendicular to stratification. C. Is always same in both directions. D. Parallel to stratification may or may not be greater than that perpendicular to stratification. A. Parallel to stratification is always greater than the perpendicular to stratification. 9. Which of the following methods is more suitable for the determination of permeability of clay soil? A. Constant head method, B. Falling head method, C. Horizontal permeability test, D. None of the above. B. Falling head method. 10. If the water content of a fully saturated soil mass is 100%, then the voids ratio of the sample is A. Less than specific gravity of soil. B. Equal to specific gravity of soil. C. Greater than specific gravity of soil. D. Independent of specific gravity of soil. B. Equal to specific gravity of soil. 11. If the volume of voids is equal to the volume of solids in a soil mass, then the values of porosity and voids ratio respectively are A. 1.0 and 0.0. B. 0.0 and 1.0. C. 0.5 and 1.0. D. 1.0 and 0.5. C. 0.5 and 1.0. 12. Unconfined compressive strength test is A. Undrained test. B. Drain test. C. Consolidated undrained test. D. Consolidated drain test. A. Undrained test. 13. In a triaxial compression test, when drainage is allowed during the first stage only and not during the second stage, the test is known as A. Consolidated drain test. B. Consolidated undrained test. C. Unconsolidated drain test. D. Unconsolidated undrained test. B. Consolidated undrained test. 14. The rise of water table below the foundation influences the bearing capacity of soil mainly by reducing A. Cohesion and effective angle of shearing resistance. B. Cohesion and effective unit weight of soil. C. Effective unit weight of soil and effective angle of shearing resistance. D. Effective angle of shearing resistance. B. Cohesion and effective unit weight of soil. 15. The total and effective stresses at a depth of 5 m below the top level of water in a swimming pool are respectively A. 0 and 0. B. 0.5 kg/cm²2 and 0. C. 0.5 kg/cm²2 and 0.5 kg/cm²2. D. 1.5 kg/cm²2 and 0.5 kg/cm²2. B. 0.5 kg/cm²2 and 0. 16. At liquid limit, soil possess A. Same shear strength of small magnitude. B. Same shear strength of large magnitude. C. Different shear strengths of small magnitude. D. Different shear strengths of large magnitude. A. Same shear strength of small magnitude. 17. Valid range for N, the percentage voids, is A. 0 and less than 100. B. 0 less than or equal to N less than or equal to 100. C. N 0. D. N less than 0. A. 0 and less than 100. 18. Rankin's theory of earth pressure assumes that the back of the wall is A. Plane and smooth. B. Plane and rough. C. Vertical and smooth. D. Vertical and rough. C. Vertical and smooth. 19. With the increase in the amount of compaction energy A. Optimum water content increases, but maximum dry density decreases. B. Optimum water content decreases, but maximum dry density increases. C. Both optimum water content and maximum dry density increase. D. Both optimum water content and maximum dry density decrease. B. Optimum water content decreases, but maximum dry density increases. 20. In a deposit of normally consolidated clay A. Effective stress increases with depth, but water content of soil and undrained strength decrease with depth. B. Effective stress and water content increase with depth, but undrained strength decreases with depth. C. Effective stress and undrained strength with depth, but water content decreases with depth. D. Effective stress, water content, and undrained strength decrease with depth. C. Effective stress and undrained strength with depth, but water content decreases with depth.